cannot recall how many times I've heard or read on social media posts from emerging filmmakers asking the question, why should I make a short film, especially if I can't earn my money back? The short answer to that question is that it's typically easier, faster, and more affordable to shoot a short film, which later enables you to showcase your abilities as a creator. That portfolio, y'all need it, okay? So however, if you're an aspiring or even an experienced filmmaker, there are countless other benefits of producing a short film. In this video, I will give you 10 specific reasons why making a short film is worth exploring. Plus, be sure to stick around until the end because I give you a tip on how to find open projects for short content. So let's get into it. What's up, my Diversity in Cinema Academy fam? I'm Theta Catalan, and this is the place to be if you're an aspiring filmmaker, video creator, and screenwriter. Unlike a feature film, the short allows the filmmaker to append traditional storytelling and experiment with the subject matter, themes, emerging technology, etc. If you're smart about how you approach developing your story's concept and completing the finished picture, you can produce a project that could take you all the way to the Oscars. Take note of 2019 Academy Award winning Best Animated Short Film, Hair Love, that Matthew Cherry created. The short has spawned a TV series ordered by HBO Max and was also adapted into a children's book narrated by no other than Beyonce's oldest daughter, Blue Ivy Carter. While shorts can provide some serious career recognition and awards, the most remarkable thing about short films is the creativity that goes into making a compelling visual story. You can really take some artistic risks with your project. It allows the filmmaker unadulterated leeway in creating a cinematic world for the characters without investing a ton of time, money, or energy into the project. If the short plays well with the festival audiences or studios scouting for good material, you may have the opportunity to expand your story into a feature film. Okay, there are plenty of other benefits, so let's dive a little deeper into the potential rewards of creating a short. But before we dive in, here's my friendly reminder. Please hit the subscribe button and turn on your notifications if you want to continue receiving content that helps you turn your productions into a profitable business model. Also, hit the like button if you love the content I am providing. It really does give me a boost in the algorithm. Okay, so let's get back to it. The first reason for shooting a short is the opportunity to hone skills. Creating a short film provides excellent practice. It allows you to fine-tune your visual storytelling skills. You may be surprised, but it's pretty tricky to tell a short story without it coming across as overwhelmingly awkward. Writing, directing, and shooting a short film is an incredible process to use as a learning exercise. It allows you the freedom to learn new genres, technology, equipment, production management, directing styles, editing styles, and storytelling techniques. Honing your skills is about gaining the confidence to create a feature film. Now, the next reason is if you want to break into a new career path. If you're someone who wants to break into a different area of filmmaking that you usually don't participate in, then creating a short is a great way to build a portfolio that can showcase those skills. For instance, I usually produce movie projects, but I recently directed a short film, Carmen, the Tale of a Woman Scorned. My intentions are to start building my director's portfolio so that I'll be able to display my visual storytelling abilities as a director. Now, the final lock picture of a short will offer footage for a director's reel, a producer's reel, a cinematographer's reel, or any other crew member that needs visual material for a portfolio. Your new portfolio could lead to potential job offers in that new position. So now the next reason to shoot a short is that you can use it as a stepping stone. Traditionally, shorts can potentially be used as a stepping stone to bigger and better projects. For instance, the short film Whiplash, directed by Damien Chazelle, I think that's how you say his name, screened at the 2013 Sundance Film Festival, which led to the making of the feature film version that went on to win 3 awards. Okay, not 1, not 2, but 3. The next reason is experimentation. Generally speaking, shorts cost for less than features to produce. So it allows you to experiment just a little bit and even fail. For instance, if you're given $1 million for a feature film project and fail, you're more than likely going to struggle to find someone willing to invest in your vision again. Whereas if you're doing a short project for $1,000 to maybe $10,000, at most you lost time, energy, and a little bit of your investment, and you maybe gained a bruised ego. Something you could definitely bounce back from. Alright, so shorts are a great way to present and test weird, unusual, and fascinating stories on your audience. If your concept is misunderstood or not accepted, it allows you to go back to the drawing board or just trash it completely. The next reason to shoot a short is that it's easier to create. During this age of affordable digital film equipment, most aspiring creators can create a short project with little to no budget. Some creators are even creating content from their cell phones, making it a reality that anyone can produce their own film. So there's no reason not to create content. The opportunity is there. You just have to be willing and determined to pursue your filmmaking objectives. Okay, so if you finding any value in anything I have shared with you so far in this video, go ahead and hit that like button. Let me know and let that YouTube algorithm know, okay? Now, let's dive into these last 5 reasons. The next reason to shoot a short is that you can use it as a calling card. The best entry point for an aspiring filmmaker is through the creation of an outstanding short film. Now, while the appeal of shorts in the commercially viable sense is almost non-existent, a celebrated short film can get you noticed by some major players. Creating an impactful short film that showcases your artistic vision and proves that you got the chops has the ability to get you recognized. One of the best tactics to gain this visibility is by submitting your film to festivals to rack up on laurels, and not just any old festivals, okay? That matters. This recognition adds credibility to your brand and also help pass your resume and bio. Your credibility as a filmmaker helps reinforce your career aspirations as well as your attractiveness to financiers and studios. Another use of the short is the proof of concept. The idea is for you to create a short film related to a feature script you've written so that you can prove the worthiness of your feature's concept. Also, a proof of concept helps you distinguish yourself from other creators who only have a screenplay to present. Moreover, this type of short helps interested parties grasp the vision and get them eager to jump on board. Your proof of concept could be a shortened version of your feature film, or it could be a scene from your feature storyline. This approach worked for James Wan, the director of the horror film franchise Saw. The original Saw movie started as a 9.5-minute short film. The short project was used to shop around the feature-length concept to potential investors and distributors. And well, you see how that turned out for Wan. Okay, 8 feature films later. Yeah, he did that. Alright, so the next reason to shoot a short film is for exposure. Now y'all, it's the wild wild west of the internet, and it's an excellent way of getting your project out there to the masses. It's a great way to get feedback from a wide range of international viewers, and the best way to find your niche audience is by placing your film on YouTube. Of course, it will still take you to do some marketing activities to get your targeted audience on the platform. Nevertheless, it's a wonderful way to find film enthusiasts who love to discover emerging filmmakers. Now, if you want to learn more about marketing activities, check out this video. Alright, placing your short film on social media platforms gives your film the potential to go viral, which means the right studio executives can potentially come across your project. Yeah, I know. The potential of going viral is like winning the lottery, but if you do nothing, you get nothing. So it's well worth the effort you've already put in thus far. Now, the next reason to shoot a short is to have it shown at film festivals. Another way to gain traction and visibility of your work is by submitting your short film to film festivals. It's a tremendous opportunity to have an audience of industry gatekeepers and filmmaking peers watch your project on the big screen. A proper festival strategy could give you access to networking with distributors, development executives, production companies, actors, and other filmmakers for possible collaboration. Furthermore, an official selection to a festival can lead to winning awards and prizes. This type of recognition aids in getting your name out there and linked to a notable project. For instance, the writer-director duo Jonathan and Josh Baker gained recognition for their sci-fi short film Bagman that premiered at the South by Southwest Film Festival. Actor and producer Michael B. Jordan came across the short and took a vested interest in seeing the emerging filmmaker's feature film idea come to life. So that's how the duo was able to take their first directing journey on a major feature film production. I dive deeper into festival and distribution strategies in my online course, Leveling Up Your Film Business. If you want to learn more, check out the link below. Another reason to shoot a short is possible distribution. Although the prospect of distribution is limited for a short film, there are still some possibilities for revenue or licensing agreements. If you created a short film with outstanding production value, a television channel might broadcast it, especially if it fits into a particular theme they are looking to showcase. For instance, my short film, Kwame the Tale of a Woman Scorned, aired on Revolt TV's Short and Fresh series during Women's History Month. The short production coincided with the theme of recognizing women. There's also digital means of distribution such as Fox Soul Screening Room and Issa Rae Presents Short Film Sundays. As you can see, short films are important to filmmakers. So whether you're creating shorts to practice, experiment, build your resume, or pitch an idea, producing a short film is a low cost and effective way to test your ideas before jumping into a feature film. Plus, during this digital age of bite-sized viral videos, production companies and studios are eager to get their hands on some short content and creators who make this type of material. A great resource for finding open projects is Tongo. Tongo is a platform for content creation used by studios, brands, and talent worldwide. They empower creators by connecting them to opportunity and relevant content across a multitude of platforms. Visit the resources page on Diversity and Cinema Academy's website to find links to job boards. There's no time like the present to make it happen. Short content creators on social media platforms like TikTok has been presented with bigger opportunities. For instance, Bryce Gonzalez of the Inky Boys landed a role on George Lopez's upcoming show, and Jason Banks have a show in development based off of his Derek character. I hope that you have found the information I provided helpful. Please let me know in the comment section what was your favorite part of this video. If you made it this far and haven't hit the subscribe button, then what are you waiting for? Like, seriously. And don't forget to turn on your notifications. Also, don't forget to watch the 11 marketing tips to level up your film business video to gain tips on how to market your project. Alright, so check it out now.